Look no further than the 2020 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Wrangler delivers iconic style, future-focused technology, all-terrain capability, rugged power, and the ability to make your adventures truly your own. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, premium sound system, fog lamps, heated mirrors. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.